I'm a new teacher, so the first day impact is going to be very essential in my success with this group of students that I'll have this coming year. I'm very young and my experience is limited. Ready to Teach is my experience, but with that experience, I believe that it prepared me to go in as a fair and consistent teacher. Those are two of my basic principles of classroom management, is being fair and consistent. I do believe that the first few days, first couple of weeks actually, those students are studying you to make sure that your intentions are pure and that you are there because you truly and genuinely care about them. And I think that there's a block there if they see that you are not there for the right reasons. And so I think it's essential that I show these students that I'm not here to just talk to them about Edgar Allan Poe or how to use a helping verb, but to also show them that I truly care about their well-being and that their next step is high school, and I want to be a really big part of that step in helping them. As far as classroom management goes, I think that that is something that many new teachers are leery about, because we were always taught in our Ready to Teach program that management is number one, because without management you can't have planning, and without planning you can't have instruction, and without instruction you can't have assessment. So it is honestly the foundation to a solid classroom. And so the way that I am going to hopefully successfully implement that is use my knowledge from Ready to Teach on how to come in on my first day, voice my expectations to my students to where they know exactly what I expect out of them, and then from that point on just consistently stick with those principles that I stand by. And I think from that point, if we do that as educators, students see that we mean business, and that makes them want to learn more.